estimating sum or difference. So we are going to learn about the how to estimate the sum or a difference. To estimate a sum or a difference of numbers, we first round off the number so that addition and subtraction can be done mentally. So now let us discuss about estimating sum. Estimating, when you are doing estimating sum means first round off each of the number given in the question. First we have to round off each and every number. If not mentioned in the question means, if which place we have to round off is not mentioned in the question means, so round off to each number to its largest place value and add the rounded off numbers. Rounded off numbers we have to add. I am going to take an example here. Here I am going to explain this example here. We have to add 973 plus 32 plus 156. We have to round off each and every number to its largest place. In the question, no places are mentioned here where you have to round it off. So that we have to round off each and every number to its largest place value. Here 973 means up to hundreds we have to round it off. Here 973. 900 after 17 tens place. So 17 tens place means we have to round off to its hundreds place means how many hundreds will be there here? 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds means it will become 1000. It will become 1000. Next, what is the number is given here? 32. So here 32. 32 means tens place we have to round. So in ones place what is the number is there? 2. So 2 is there means 2 is less than 5. So that tens place will not be changed, 30 will be there. So 30 you have to write here. And next 156. When we are going to round off the 156, hundreds place is the highest place here. So the tens place, observe the tens place is 5. Here 5 are greater than 5 means the hundreds place will be increased. So hundreds place will be 200. Here 100 is there. So it will become, here hundreds place is there, it will become 200. So you have to add here and here also. These numbers and these numbers we have to add. This is the actual addition. This is rounded off nature. So here 5, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 6 11 and 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 5 16 and here 10 11. Here what we will get? 0, 3, 2 and 1. Here 1161 is nearer to the 1230. So like this you have to do the addition. No need to do actual addition, no need to do actual addition here. We have to estimate the given numbers and write the answer. Understood? Next, let us discuss about estimating difference. Now I am going to explain with an example discussion. So now we are going to find the difference of this to the nearest 10,000. We have to estimate the difference of this to the nearest 10,000. 10,000 means we have to, here 10,000 in mentions here. So that we have to estimate these two numbers rounded off to the 10,000s. Then we have to find the difference. First estimation. So for 48,696. So what is the 10,000s place? 4 is there. So we have to round the, have to observe the thousands place number. Thousands place is 8. So it will become increase to 1, 50,000 it will become. And here 31,976 means, so in 10,000s place 3 is there and thousands place is 1 is there. So here 1 is less than 5. So that 30,000 it will become. There is no change in 10,000s place. We have to find the difference of these two estimated values. Here 0, 0, 0, 0 and it will become 2. Here 20,000 will be the answer. Here also you can find the difference, actual the subtraction it is. So actual difference is 0, here 2, here 16, 16 minus 9, 7, here 7 minus 1, 6, here 4 minus 3, 1. Here 16,720 you got here, here 20,000 you got. Actual difference is nearer to the actual difference here. What is the thousands place number 6 is there. So, it will become 20,000. So, estimated value it is. Understand? So, now we are going to discuss about estimating product or coefficient. Estimating product or coefficient means, product means multiplication when you will get coefficient in divisions. Okay. Now, estimating the product means multiplication. To estimate the product of two numbers means, first round off each number to mention or its largest place value. Then multiply rounded off numbers. Rounded off numbers we have to multiply. First I am going to take two numbers here. Here first we have to round off these two numbers first. 8593. What is the greatest place value here? Thousands place. Then you have to observe the hundreds place. It is 500 means it is equal to 5. So then the 8000 will become 9000. And 472 hundreds place is greater 1. Here observe the tens place is greater than 5. So hundreds place will become 400 will become 500. So 500. We have to multiply these two rounded off numbers. 9000 into 500 is equal to 9 5 45, and we have to keep all zeros here 3 zeros and here 2 zeros. We got 45 lakhs. The estimated product is 45 lakhs. Like this we have to do the multiplication, and this is called estimate the product, estimating of the product. Now let us discuss about the estimating coefficient. Estimating the coefficient. To estimate the coefficient, here also we have to round off the given numbers to the largest place or mentioned in the question, and we have to divide that answer. Here I am going to take 9258 and 45. We have to estimate these two numbers first, then we have to do the division, and we have to find the coefficient, estimated coefficient. So 9258 means it will become in thousands place, first place is highest place is thousands, and observe the hundreds place is less than 5. So 9000 will become 9000 only. So is greater than 5 means it will be increased by 1, otherwise it will be same as. Okay. Next it is 45. 45 means, here observe the 45, in this 45 ones place 5 is there. So in tens place will be increased by 1. So 40 will become 50. We have to find the coefficient of 50 and 9000. So 50 2s are 100, so 50 1s are 50. So 40 will be the answer, and 0 down 400 here 8 times. 8 times 400 you will get 0, and 0 down 0 and 0 will be there. Here 0 zeros are 0. So 180. So here coefficient is equal to 180. Estimated coefficient. It is called estimated coefficient. Understand? Next.